biker was forced to tie the straps, which caused problems at higher speeds, but the driver behind him was fed up with waiting.
Why you playing with me? All right, hold up. Hey, bro. What's up? My glove came off. I didn't mean to disrespect you. I didn't mean to do that. You saw my head go like this? That's all it was, bro. Get on, bro. What happened? Get on? This is my neighborhood. You're dismissing me? That's messed up, bro. On me, bro. Don't record me. Don't record me, bro. Don't record. I'll break your camera. We'll get it off me. Get it off me. I'm looking that way, bro. If anything, this is a live feed. It's a live feed, bro. What happened? Bro, get on. That's all messed up, bro. I was being nothing but nice to you. I'm being nothing but nice to you. All right? All right, bro. You could have done all that. Oh, bad. Excuse me. Hi, you're in a motorcycle bay and I need to chain up here.
Kom igen, kan du? You fuck up. Close, mate.
You shouldn't be in a motorcycle bay to begin with.
Attempt to have an ordinary conversation turned into an argument in this case.
Come here, just 1 second. Let me say something. Look. Driving like it's no better than us. It's no better. Bro, you're going above the speed limit. Look how mad you are. Look how mad you are.
After all of this, the bikers can't believe that the rider wasn't injured in such a collision at 60 miles per hour.
Oh my God! I did. I hit
deer. My bike is. I didn't go down though. Yeah, dude. Yeah. I can't believe I hit a deer. Yo, spewing coolant. Yeah, I'm fine. What, dude?
How did you stay on the bike?
I just stayed on it.
Dude, that is crazy, dude. Dude, yo, turn your electrical off.
Are you kidding me?
Yo, is the deer down in the road? Yeah. Oh. I think it's done.
Kidding me? I can't believe I didn't go down.
How did you not go down?
I just braced and I stood it up and I just braced.
Did you hit the brakes or you just throttled through?
I just throttled through.
Oh.
Holy. Yo, I think this bike is. God damn it.
Here is another situation in which, despite good visibility, driver cuts off the biker.
¿Quieren pendejos?
No. Oh, shit!
Thanks for watching till the end, I hope you've enjoyed it. See you soon in the next video. Ride safe.